Hi everyone, I want to take you through this 2023 Flagstaff Micro Lite 21FBRS. This is considered a couples camper, so great for maybe a family of 3, 2, or even just one person looking for a smaller sized camper. Your entrance is towards the rear of the coach, but as soon as you walk in, storage is everywhere. There's even a little cubby space on the bottom left hand side. Put your pet's food bowls there, your shoes when you walk in, things like that, and even a fire extinguisher. Closet storage space with a built-in clothes rack. Lots of shelves too. And then a ginormous stainless steel refrigerator. Here at an angle is the bathroom entrance. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice stand-up shower with a rounded out door. Skylight is there above. There's just a lot of natural light coming in here. And then more storage compartments are above your toilet. I love the coloring of the wood. I think it looks great. Sink with storage down below. Power, towel ring hook, and medicine cabinet. Control paneling for everything is across from the refrigerator. Very easy to access as soon as you walk in. And then here we have the rest of the coach. It's all pretty much an open space besides the bathroom. Located in the only slide out that you have is your sleeper sofa. This will fold down to a sleeping space. Armrests have cup holders, which is pretty nice. Middle cushion has more cup holders too, so you can fill them with snacks and such. But power outlets are everywhere. There's more storage compartments above. And then across the way is the kitchen area. Again, lots of storage in here. No problem fitting all of your clothing items, kitchen items, things like that. Stainless steel microwave, range hood, 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. A really decent sized oven too. The shelf is removable so you can fit taller items in there, casseroles, things like that. And then all of the storage down below. And then here is just a neat little drawer for your dishes, soaps, and whatnot. Stainless steel 50/50 split sink with 2 covers. Sorry, the tape was holding it down. With 2 covers that you can use for extra countertop space. Huge window back there. And if you need even more countertop space, it does extend out. Privacy curtains are on each side, so you can kind of block out all of the sun, the action and stuff going on in the living room and kitchen area if you wanted to sleep in while the other person wants to start their day. But mattress in the middle lifts up for extra storage. There's even drawer compartments down below. And then end tables are on each side. Power outlets and USB ports as well to charge devices at night. And you have quite a bit of headspace or just, ceiling space right there. So if you wanted to have a lamp on your nightstand, you can do that. More storage on the right hand side with the drawer. Closet lockers are hanging on each side and more compartments above. Of course, your TV is located right next to your kitchen area. This does extend out so that you can get a better view from the TV or from the sofa. So that's pretty nice. And it's framed in too, so it looks really finished and just blends in with everything. Then as we walk outside, all the way at the front is your power tongue jack. Of course, your battery is just behind your 2 huge 30-pound propane tanks. Accent lights are on your front cap, and you have your frameless window. Looks really awesome. That's where the head of your bed is located. And then this is locked right now, but that is just some additional storage. More frameless windows, a powered awning, 2 outside speakers, a bracket already mounted if you wanted to have a TV out here, and even kind of like a railing shelving system for outside kitchen if you wanted to purchase that and then be able to have it attached to your camper. Power outlet, access to your furnace, solid steps, friction hinge door as well, oversized grab handle, spare tire with a cover, outside shower, and then you are prepped for a rear observation camera. Plus, this is a fully walkable roof because you do have the rear ladder. Cable and satellite hookup, city water connection as well. And then this is storage that goes underneath the sofa. Over here is not locked. It's just some pass-through storage that goes all the way to the other side. Magnetic latch, which is pretty nice. And then over here is access to your water heater as well for maintenance purposes. So any questions about the Micro Lite 21FB RS, feel free to let us know.